Guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys, and it is super insane. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to view Patreon content for free using this mod. So as you can see, here's a post, but unfortunately it says post is locked, but we can actually bypass it for free with the developer mode. So I'm going to do that, and as you can see, it says activating dev mode, and now we can see the post. You can see it says dev mode activated. Your Patreon dev mode access is activated, guys. So now I can see the whole post for free. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device so you can actually start viewing Patreons for free. So the first step is going to be going into the browser, and we're just going to go onto this website. So it's called zoomods.com, I believe. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and type in Patreon, and there it is. So go ahead and press on it. Now before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So what this means is you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super cool. So yeah, this is fully working, guys. All devices are supported, so you can do it on both iPhone and Android, guys, which is awesome. So as you can see, it says right here missing files. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps, follow instructions. They're 100% for free. So Emerge Garden says reach level 9, VPN, this Travel Town one. Some of these bring me to this page, which doesn't work on my phone, but like TikTok, you just down and run for 30 seconds. You can see it brings you to the App Store, and you just download it and do that. Or you could do like Lumo VPN. So anyway, guys, just do 2 of them, then you'll have the Patreon mod. You can view all posts for free. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super updated and it's like fully working, guys. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. There's that video you can watch if you're really confused, but it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, peace out, bro.